So let's try number 9. All right, this one had, let's see, 3 sine theta minus 2 equals 0. All right, so you had to do a lot of isolating on this one. So what we'd have to add 2, so we get 3 sine theta equals 2, then what? All right, so we get sine theta equals 2/3. And now let's punch in on the calculator. All right, y'all punch in with me because I don't want to have to keep holding that under there. All right, inverse sine of 2/3. All right, you should get about 0.73. And let's mention, what happens there when the calculator returns something that's negative to you? Right, you got to add 2 pi to it. And so, well, we can't have negative numbers here because the directions state we only want what's in between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, and negatives wouldn't fall in there. Now, let's draw that reference angle, or figure out that reference angle. Now, 0.73 would be in the first quadrant. Okay, so about halfway. So the angle is 0.73. Now, since it's in the first quadrant, the reference angle would be 0.73. Okay, now, and it makes sense because in the first quadrant, sine is positive. That's a positive 2/3. So let's figure out the other answer. Where else is sine positive? In the second, all right? So let's draw that reference angle in the second quadrant. So we're going to take this angle and reflect it over. So the reference angle is still 0.73. All right, but what we're looking for is the measure of it in standard position. We're looking for this angle. Now, all the way around to here would be what? Pi. Okay, so it's all the way around to pi except for that little 0.73 right there. Right, pi minus 0.73 is going to give that to me. So my calculator, I'm going to hit pi minus answer. All right, so it should be 2.41. All right, any other ones, especially from the calculator ones you had to do? All right, and it seems like, especially first hour, they really struggle with those calculator ones. And obviously not the first answer, right? Nobody's going to miss that. The second answer, all right? It's really hard to visualize that if you're not a visual person. Now, all right, let's look at some that are on the bottom. All right, bottom that you